Somewhere out here, 6 million years ago, something changed forever.
Hungry. Always hungry. Raw. Tough. Always tough. Most of the day spent chewing.
But the world was about to hand them fire. A wildfire, sparked by lightning, tore across the grassland.
Something strange. The animals didn't run from this ground. A dead animal, caught in the fire. He tasted it, just once.
It was softer, faster to chew, easier to swallow.
He carried the fire home,
Feeding it, slowly. The first fire that didn't go out. He tried it again, on purpose this time. Soft, warm, easy, easy.
He wasn't the only one who noticed.
Watching. Copying. Learning.
The elder showed him how long, how close. Within a generation, the whole camp cooked. Fire had become part of daily life.
It wasn't just meat anymore. Roots that were once bitter and hard
Became soft and sweet. Cooked food meant more energy for less effort.
That extra energy went somewhere unexpected.
Cooking gave them something raw food never could: time. Free time that once went to chewing now went to something else.
sharper tools, better shelters, new ideas.
Camps grew. Groups grew. Communities grew. One fire, one bite. That's all it took. That's all it took. Cooking didn't just change what humans ate. It changed who humans became.
Somewhere, that first fire is still burning, inside every one of us.